everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my IPSY for January 2024, and it just came in the mail today, and I did try everything in the box that I could try. So let's get into it. So the first product that they chose for me is from Campari, and it's a niacinamide and caffeine eye bright cream. This retails for $36, so pretty pricey. This is a popular brand, but I do see this brand a lot in like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And this is for dark circles, puffiness, and smoothing and hydrating. Here's the package, just cute packaging. Came right in time because I just used up an eye cream. My hands are pretty dry, but it feels lightweight. It does have a light fragrance that I could pick up, but it's not too strong. It's like lightly hydrating, not super heavy. It'd be perfect for the daytime. And the second product, which they chose for me, is from Saturday Skin. It retails for $26, and I needed a soap, so it came in perfect time. I like the packaging. This is for washing away dirt and impurities, and it's supposed to be more of a moisturizing. So I did use this, and it smells like lemons, but it doesn't smell like perfume lemons. It smells like real lemons, and I like that. It had an interesting texture. When I was looking up the reviews, somebody said it reminds them of a body wash texture. It is pretty thick. It's almost like a cream cleanser, but when you rub it in, it does suds. I don't know. I enjoyed it, so I am happy to have this. So far, both products are useful, and I'm glad I got it. Now, the third product I chose is $30. It is from Penrose. I've never tried any fragrances from this brand. This one is Pillow Talk Poet. And the description says it's for close encounters and rainy days in bed. Warm blend, feels mysterious and spicy. It has notes of powder, ambergris, I might be saying that wrong, and musk. I will put a photo of the scent notes on the screen. And this is a rollerball. And I definitely say this is more of a skin scent. When I first smell it, all I smell is alcohol, but it's definitely more of a clean scent. It's feminine. A lot of people said it reminds them of clean laundry. Definitely something like to wear for going to bed, like something cozy. A lot of people love this. Some people said it reminded them of like more of a mature scent or like their grandparents' home. I don't mind it. It's not my favorite. It's not something like I love, but it's not something, it's not terrible. And I'll definitely use this before I go to bed. I do find it relaxing. And the fourth product I chose is from Game Beauty. This retails for $25. It's the Eyes on Me 4 Essential Eyeshadow Brush Set. And I did use this. I do like, they're purple, they're cute. And I do believe you could do a complete look with these. And it's interesting, when I looked this up on IPSY, it said that this company is like, they're into like video games and beauty. So they like to incorporate all their products with video games. I don't know, I thought that was interesting. And the last product, the fifth product in my box, is from Real Her. It is their Hold On to Your Dreams Probiotic Setting Spray. This retails for $35. I do like the packaging. It's pretty sleek. I did try it. I didn't detect any scent, and it had a really decent sprayer. I'll spray it at my face. Well, it kind of soaks your face. It's not super fine, but I don't mind it. And I was curious about the probiotic in it, and I did Google it, and it said the probiotic is good for people with acne, rosacea, like it helps wound healing, And they did say it's a skincare and makeup setting spray, helps support natural barrier and create a smooth canvas. So the total retail value of my box is $152. So my thoughts in the box. No, it's not an exciting box. I didn't get any cool makeup or any makeup really for that matter, but I do think everything in my box is useful and things I need. So I am pleased with this month's box. So if you guys get Ipsy, what do you think of your box this month? And what do you think of mine? I know a lot of people are gonna think this is underwhelming, but me personally, like I said, I like it. But anyways, that is it for today, and I hope you all have a great day. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye.